How to do MoneyGram at CVS. Go to a CVS store that offers MoneyGram services. You can check the CVS website or call the store to confirm availability. You'll need information about the recipient, such as their name and location, and the amount of money you want to send. Head to the pharmacy counter or the designated area for MoneyGram services. Complete the MoneyGram send form with the recipient's information and the amount you want to send. Provide the form. You'll need to pay the transfer amount plus any associated fees. After processing, you'll get a receipt with a reference number. Keep this receipt as it contains important details about your transaction. For exact details and procedures, it's best to contact the specific CVS location you plan to visit. Thank you so much for watching.